Hey, it's your Scale Up Biz Coach, Laurie McNaughton, coming to you with some exciting news. I know any of you who have been in business for any amount of time know how difficult it can be. Building a successful, profitable business that thrives without you is going to be even harder, and it's going to be one of the hardest things you ever do. I mean, you have marketing, sales, delivery, employees, customers, all demanding your time, your energy, and your attention. Here's the harsh truth. 96% of businesses fail within 5 years. Of the 4% that survive, 1% of those people, they become those uber rich people that we read about in social media. And 2% have amazing wealth and financial foundation in their lives. 1% of those people still struggle dramatically. Now, I've been coaching businesses for 21 years now, and I've coached over 200 businesses one-on-one, and literally fewer than 2% of those businesses failed. And of the ones that failed, we can look back and go, it was all about bad timing. When you expand and then the economy contracts, it's a difficult situation to get over. Some things we just can't help, but most things we can help. And that's why I've created something really powerful for small, medium-sized business owners. So companies that are run by the owner of the business. So it's called your Strategic Success Blueprint, 10 Steps to Scale Your Business Up without Burning Out. This is a comprehensive course that I'm going to launch in 2 weeks from now, and it's designed for business owners just like you who are aiming to take your businesses to that 6 and 7 figures, but you feel like I take 3 steps forward and then I take 2 steps backwards. It literally covers how to create a rock solid financial foundation for your company, how to build a team that you can trust, and also to create leverage so your business thrives even when you're not there. While you wait for the course to launch, take and download this free resource guide that I've created, which outlines each of the 10 steps. You can download it by going into the comments section. I'll put the link in there. I'm also going to put a link into my YouTube channel in the comments section so you can go there and watch some videos. Here's the thing. Before you can earn more, you need to learn more. If you're struggling, whether that's with your people, your systems, your processes, marketing, sales, whatever it is, what that's telling you is that you need to learn more. Now, I've laid it out in 10 steps where you start with the foundation and work your way up to the point where at the end of the 10 steps, you're in a position where you know what you need to do in order to create a business that literally will scale up and thrive even when you're on vacations. So take the time to download the resource guide. It's completely free. There's no cost to it. Watch my YouTube channel. There's no cost whatsoever to that. And there's tons and tons of great content in there on everything from communication to leadership to systems to processes, all of the stuff that a successful business owner needs to know in order to take that business to the next level. So I'm really excited about this. I hope you're really excited about it. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to tell you how much the course is, but it's next to nothing. Compared to what your return on that investment will be, it's so dirt cheap. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the 30-day money-back guarantee says you got to complete the course. If you complete the course and at the end of that course you go, I didn't get my value from that, then you just send me an email and I will refund the entire amount, no questions asked. Looking forward to the opportunity to chat with you, learn from you, and understand more about your business. So take care and until then, have yourself an awesome day. Take care. Bye.